Welcome to my lecture. Please visit my earlier lecture if you haven't already done so. In this video, you will understand how to put fractions in ascending order. Consider two fractions 3/4 and 2/4. How do you know which fraction is bigger? Using the illustration, we can see that 3/4 represents 3 parts of the 4-part circle, and 2/4 represents 2 parts of the 4-part circle. Therefore, 3/4 is a bigger fraction than 2/4. Consider three fractions, 2/5, 1/5, and 4/5. They all have the same denominator of 5. So these fractions are out of the same total parts. Hence, comparing the numerator, we can see that 1/5 is smallest, then 2/5, and 4/5 is the largest fraction. When the denominators have the same value, we can simply compare numerators to work out their order. When fractions are ordered, smallest to largest, it is said to be in ascending order. And when fractions are ordered from largest to smallest, it is said to be in descending order. How are the fractions with different denominators? Say 1/3 and 3/6. 1/3 is 1 part of 3-part rectangle. 3/6 is 3 part of 6-part rectangle. We cannot simply compare the numerators in this case, as we are comparing the fractions with different denominators. However, we can express 1/3 as its equivalent fraction, 2/6, i.e. we can split the rectangle to 6 equal parts rather than just 3. Now, both fractions are under the same denominators, therefore you can compare the numerator and see that 3/6 covers more shaded area than 2/6, hence it's the bigger fraction. Let's now compare 2/3 with 3/4. Which one is a bigger fraction? Take 2/3. Multiply numerator and denominator by 2/2 to get you 4/6. And let's multiply again 2/3 by 4/4 to get 8/12. And let's again multiply by 8/8 to give you 16/24. Hence 2/3 is equivalent to 4/6, 8/12, and 16/24, since they are all multiples of 2/3. Similarly, we can also write 3/4 as its equivalents, which are 6/8, 9/12, and 18/24. In order to compare these fractions, we must compare the equivalent fractions that have the same denominators. Since 18/24 and 16/24 have the same denominators, we can use these to compare fractions. 18/24 is bigger than 16/24, so we conclude 3/4 is a bigger fraction than 2/3. In this case, we can also use another equivalent fractions, 9/12 and 8/12. Since 9/12 is bigger than 8/12, we can also conclude 3/4 is a bigger fraction. Here 12 is a very special number in this case. It is in the times tables of 4 as well as 3 and is also the smallest. It is known as the lowest common multiple, or LCM for short. You must always express your fractions with its lowest common multiple before comparing them. Thanks for watching. Be sure to try given exercises to test your knowledge. I'll see you in the next part.